Hello everyone, my name is Siri Nurpatsa, majoring Information Technology at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Here, I will explain about the question word. Okay, what is question word? Question word is used to ask specific information atau kata tanya yang digunakan untuk informasi yang spesifik. They help us get answer to question like who, what, when, where, why, and how. In bahasa Indonesia, like apa, siapa, kapan, di mana, mengapa, dan bagaimana. Okay, the first one we have who atau siapa. Used to ask about a person, for example, who is your teacher? Siapa gurumu? And who called you last night? Siapa yang menelponmu tadi malam? Okay, next, what atau apa? Used to ask about things, information, and action. For example, what is your name? Siapa namamu? And what are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? And when atau kapan? Used to ask about time. For example, when is your birthday? Kapan ulang tahunmu? When will the meeting start? Kapan pertemuan yang akan dimulai? And next, where atau di mana? Used to ask about a place or location. For example, where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? And where is my book? Di mana bukuku? And next, why atau mengapa? Used to ask about a reason or cause. For example, why are you sad? Apa yang membuatmu sedih? And why? And why did she leave early? Kenapa dia pergi lebih awal? And for last, how atau bagaimana? Used to ask about the way, condition, or manner something happens. For example, how do you cook this? Bagaimana cara memasaknya? How are you today? Apa kabarmu hari ini? Okay, and here I have a summary table to make it easy to understand. Okay, here are word, meanings, and example. For the first word, who, siapa. For example, who is he? Next, what atau apa. For example, what do you do? Next, when, kapan. For example, when is the test? Next, where, di mana. Where do you live? Next, why, mengapa. For example, why is he tired? And last, how, bagaimana. For example, how do you cook this? Okay, that's all for me today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.